Hi, Uncle Joel.
Hi, Uncle Noel.
Hi, Auntie Megan.
Hi, Auntie Megan.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Hi, Cousin Nikki.
Hi, Cousin Nikki.
Hi, Cousin Aiden.
Hi, Cousin Aiden.
I miss you.
Miss you.
Let's have some fun.
Good.
Let's go to the park.
Look.
Let's go surfing. Let's go to the beach.
Please.
What's on my face?
Hi.
I've got pizza.
Ah.
These are my lips. That's my tongue. Alright, you say happy.
Button.
Say happy Thanksgiving.
Mm.
Happy Thanksgiving. You say that? You say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yay, bye.
Bye.